I wrote 18 empty words for 6 hours, and for the final one, I'm going to write my logo in this style. Hey everyone, welcome back to Write with Ink. I'm Brian. Today I'm going to write empty words. I found this empty word style while I was scrolling through Instagram. The post that I saw was taken from TikTok. So in another way, I was still taking inspiration from TikTok. This style is quite cool because it's like shining a bright light into a white word, casting a shadow onto the background. Initially, I was thinking that this type of writing is not worth the time to write because it can be done fairly easily in Photoshop. First, just write the word normally, import the photo to Photoshop, blast the whites and blacks twice in the camera raw filter, crop the word out, remove the white parts and invert the colors. Lastly, just add the shadows and you get this empty words effect. It is that easy using Photoshop, but for this is quite challenging. For my first few attempts, I did use Photoshop as reference, making sure that the picture inside my head matches the one produced in Photoshop. Then I started to trace the words out on a rough paper, making sure that the picture inside my head is correct, and we are good to go. The first few words are quite easy, less strokes and less complicated structures. I can say they are a good workout for my brain because I need to constantly have the image inside my head. And at the end of this easy session, I wrote a word without reference and it was quite nice. It was quite nice. Never thought that it would be that easy. But for the second session, I tried more difficult words with more complicated structures. These words were mind-boggling because it takes some time for my head to process and render the image. And I did use Photoshop for the first word. But subsequently, I tried to picture them inside my head without Photoshop and attempted to write them down with a little planning. Obviously, it did not go well for the first few tries. Some of them were rubbish, but some of them were not. With several attempts later, I got better with this type of writing, and I think I'm ready to take on my own logo. But shit, this is difficult. And this is the final product of the logo. This is the end of the video. If you want to see more of these writing styles, leave a comment down below of what you want me to write. Remember to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel to support me. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe. Peace.